Hello everyone, my name is Genevieve Moses and I am reporting for a week of observations, comparing my observations to the National Weather Service observations of January 27th through the 31st. An important thing to note about my findings compared to the National Weather Service findings is that the station I am reporting or comparing to is at the Fairbanks International Airport in Fairbanks, Alaska, and I am located about 30-ish miles outside southeast of Fairbanks in Salcha, Alaska. So my findings are bound to be a little bit different, and in my graph it shows dramatically different. But starting on the first day, you'll see that our numbers are very similar. My readings are at negative 33.5, and the National Weather Service is at negative 32.8 degrees Fahrenheit. And my max temperatures don't come close to their average temperatures. My max temperatures I seem to get very much warmer than the National Weather Service did on all of the days I have plotted. On the 29th, 30th, and 31st, you'll notice that my minimum temperatures have all maxed out to 0 due to the fact my temperature or my thermometer would not read below negative 40 degrees, and that caused my input to be incorrect. So it would be along the same line, a few degrees lower than the National Weather Service, but due to the input it is incorrect on the graph. Otherwise, you'll notice that the National Weather Service did not read out anything under negative 40 on these days, whereas my findings obviously were under negative 40. One thing on all points you'll notice is that each day in the Fairbanks area, including Salcha, the temperature was rising from about the 28th through to the 1st. The barometric pressure from the National Weather Service and my own data seem to be very similar, all starting at a lower pressure, rising each day steadily until the 30th, and then lowering back down to the 1st. On the first day of my recording on Tuesday, January 27th, 2015, the weather map shows that in the Fairbanks area there was fog, which was also accompanied by a high pressure system in the north, and the temperatures in our area were very low, and there is no precipitation on this map, nor is there any cloud cover. On Wednesday, January 28th, you'll notice that the high pressure systems in the north of Alaska are still present, and with a low pressure moving in from the south. It's coming north, but it will not seem to reach us for the rest of the week. And the Fairbanks area has some minimal cloud cover, but it was still very cold, at about hitting the negative 40s in the Salcha area and not rising above negative 12. Thursday, January 29th, the weather map shows that there is fog and a high pressure system still in the northern part of Alaska, producing cold temperatures, while a cold front is moving in from the west, bringing some precipitation. And in the southern part of Alaska, you'll see that there is a cold and warm front. On Friday, January 30th, the high pressure systems were still present with no precipitation and very little cloud cover in the Salcha Fairbanks area. All over the state, you'll notice that there's a high pressure system moving through most of the south central area, also causing colder temperatures. Whereas in the north, the low pressure system was moving in and caused some snow on the northern slopes of Alaska. On Saturday, January 31st, 2015, the high pressure system was still present, causing minimal clouds but a lot of cold temperatures throughout Alaska, and the low pressure system moving in was heading out actually towards Siberia, to the moving out towards the northwest. As you can see, today is February 8th, 2015. I downloaded the maps for the weather maps today. Up here in the left hand corner, you'll notice that this weather map indicates that we are still having a high pressure system in the Fairbanks area, and while a low pressure system is moving north. I pulled my visible picture too late, so you can't see too much, but as you look down at the infrared in the lower left hand corner, you'll notice that the Fairbanks area still doesn't have too much cloud cover, but the surrounding areas are starting to grow with cloud cover. Within those clouds, however, there is not very much water vapor, so it doesn't look like we'll be seeing too much precipitation anytime soon. Thank you and have a great day.